Yeah, Trey Hurt, nigga. For all you fuck niggas out there. I just bought a jam. I just bought a jam. Little did he know I had the whole squad with me. Run up on him and let the whole squad get him. I don't give a fuck, let the whole squad whip him. Beat him down, let the whole squad beat him, tie him up. These other niggas hating right, say they want the war, but they really ain't faking right. Say they really ain't faking right, they really out here hating right. Talking about that paper right. I'm in a different time zone. If you niggas wanna hate me, leave me alone. I don't give a fuck cause I keep that chrome and it's 40 cloud dog gon' keep to your dome. I don't move this, I move plastic. If a nigga want it, dog, he get it like elastic. But I never plastic.